This is the plaintiff, Luann Pulicicchio. She says she went to the defendant, a hypnotist, so she would stop smoking. He guaranteed her she would stop smoking for good after a 1-hour session. But really, she stopped for 12 hours and then started smoking again, and still does. The defendant refuses to return her money, so she's suing for the $680 she wasted on him. This is the defendant, Mark Siegel. He says he gives a lifetime guarantee, meaning he'll hypnotize someone for as many times as it takes until they stop smoking. He doesn't promise to cure them in just one session. The plaintiff saw him, made a follow-up session, canceled at the last minute, and now wants her money back? Come on. He's accused of puffery.
All parties, please raise your right hand.
And welcome back to the People's Court. Next case in the docket, the plaintiff went to the defendant, a hypnotist, to stop smoking, but it just didn't happen. But the defendant says she was expecting way too much for one session. It's the case of hypnotism can be a real drag.
Okay, Luann Pulicicchio, you are suing the New York Institute of Hypnosis, Incorporated, represented here by Mark Siegel, the owner, for $680, the price that you paid to be hypnotized so you would stop smoking, and according to you, he promised more than he could deliver.
Yes.
What happened?
I live in Huntington. Mark Siegel had his office in Huntington. Outside of the office is a big sign that says guaranteed to stop smoking in 1 hour. I really wanted to quit smoking. I decided to
But you didn't want to put the work in, so you were hoping to listen, some people swear by this.
You know, and I thought it would be a good thing for me.
Right.
I made a phone
Anything
call,
that helps.
made an appointment with Mark, and went that evening.
Had you ever tried quitting before?
I have, and I have quit on my own. I thought the hypnosis would be a lot easier, would make it a lot easier.
What's the longest you've ever gone without smoking?
9 months.
Okay.
And I thought the hypnosis would help me not go through the withdrawals and the anxiety.
Was that a pregnancy, by the way, the 9 months, or no?
No.
Okay.
No.
Go ahead.
So I made an appointment. I went and saw Mr. Siegel. We talked for about maybe 45 minutes, and then he proceeded to hypnotize me.
Have you ever been hypnotized before?
I haven't, no.
Did you like lose awareness?
No, I didn't at all.
Did you feel hypnotized? Like, did you feel something was going on? What exactly happened?
No, I felt very relaxed, and he would just like talk to me about not smoking, why I shouldn't smoke.
But you were conscious and aware the whole time?
Yes, the whole time.
And how long did it take?
20 minutes. Okay. After the session was over, before I left, Mr. Siegel said that he would be there for me 100% if I needed any support. The following day, I got to work and I was struggling a little bit, and I made a phone call at 9 a.m. at a reasonable hour on Friday morning, and I left a message and said that I was having a hard time and I would appreciate if you could call me. He didn't return my call until early Sunday evening, and I had a conversation with him.
And by then you wanted your money back?
By then I wanted my money back.
Were you smoking like a chimney again?
I was. Of course I am. Okay. I was smoking.
Are you smoking now, or were you able to quit?
No, I'm still smoking.
How long ago did this happen?
It was
February.
February.
All right. Tell me about you. Tell me about how you do this, how long you've been doing this, what it is you do, etc.
So what we do is...
Who's we?
New York Institute of Hypnosis.
Okay.
There's 3 tools that we utilize. Hypnosis is one of the tools. NLP is another tool.
What's NLP?
Neuro-linguistic programming. So neuro is like our 5 senses, the way we take in information. Linguistics is language, the way we process or make sense of the information. And programming is the patterns or the habits that we have from that.
Well, what does that mean? What do you do with that concept? What exactly is it? What's it look like?
There is talking involved. So questioning to help elicit different thoughts in the person.
Okay. So it's hypnosis, it's talking to them, and what else?
Success coaching.
Okay.
So it's helping people to take the actions necessary to get the results. So it's
hypnosis and talking to them. All right. Now, how long have you been doing this?
Over 10 years.
Okay. So how does a person become, put your hand down, I'm fascinated. How does a person become a hypnotist?
Okay. Well, I am certified through the American Board of Hypnotherapy. Okay. And they
How did
teach-
you know you had a talent for this?
I didn't. I just started utilizing it. I actually started learning the NLP first, and part of NLP was a certification in hypnosis.
Okay, what is your, do you have a degree?
No, I don't.
Okay, what work were you in that drew you to this?
I was doing marketing and sales, and the
sales.
NLP is utilized.
Sure, it's the next natural step.
So can a hypnotist actually stop someone from smoking in 1 hour?
No.
You don't think so? You don't think it's practical? What do you think?
I think you can, or a hypnotist can.
Anybody ever done hypnotism here? Anybody? Really?
Yeah.
Does it work?
You have to really be willing.
What'd you do it for?
It was just like a group. Like we know a hypnotist, so we just decided to.
One of those party things where can you put a lampshade on your head?
Yeah, pretty much.
Did you do it?
No, it didn't work for anyone. We weren't really like feeling it.
So why are you telling me it works?
Well, no, because like it could potentially.
Just not with you or anybody else you know going inside the courtroom.
Now, she comes to you based on the storefront advertising, and you charge her how much?
It's $680.
Is there a contract she signs at all about what she's getting for her $680?
There's an agreement that she signed
Can I
in a
see it?
questionnaire prior to.
Yeah, let me see that.
I don't have her exact signed agreement, but I do
Oh,
have
that would be a good thing to have, right? Since we're in litigation on her exact one. Do you have it?
I never received a copy.
Okay, but you did sign one, right?
I don't recall signing. Only thing I recall signing was my charge payment.
All right, there's all these questions. I am willing to be guided through relaxation, visual imagery, creative visualization, NLP, hypnosis, and stress reduction processes and techniques. I understand that these are, in the context of learning, are not suitable for medical care. Okay, let's assume she signed one of these because this isn't really addressing the concern she has. She feels two things. She feels that when she called you, you didn't jump quickly enough, okay? And she also feels like, hey, I didn't quit smoking in 1 hour.
The message that I received was on a Saturday morning. Okay, Saturday is the day that's reserved for my children.
Sure. She said she
Okay.
called you on Friday morning. Is that true?
I don't know of a call on Friday morning.
Okay.
I know of a call on Saturday, and I could not call because I had my children with me. I wanted to be somewhat professional, and I sent her an email when I had the chance to let her know that I would call her on Sunday evening, which I did.
But, I guess in a moment of crisis like this, not being able to reach you in 2 days is a big deal. But my greater concern is the stop smoking 1 hour guaranteed sign, right?
Right.
That's what
Okay,
the sign
so-
says, right? Do you have a picture of it?
So
Okay, 'cause
when
that's a pretty sweeping guarantee.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? Like that's like pretty black and white out there. It's not stop smoking guaranteed. It's stop smoking 1 hour guaranteed. And if you wanna say something like that and it didn't work in an hour, now what?
Okay. So here's what happens. As soon as people call, I explain the whole process to them. First, I'll ask them how many cigarettes they presently smoke. It's usually on average about a pack a day, and I think that's what Luann was. And then I say, great, all it takes is one session typically to get that down to zero.
Typically.
Typically,
Okay.
yes.
So then you put all kinds of conditions to the sign. Watch this. Did he ever tell you it would take more than an hour?
No.
Okay, that's the problem we have.
Okay.
And the problem we have is that, my opinion, if you came to me and I was your business lawyer, I would say take out that in 1 hour guaranteed. And if you want to put stop smoking guaranteed because that's what you offer, then that's great. That'll lure a lot of people in there. That's marketing. But when you say stop smoking 1 hour guaranteed, then that means stop smoking 1 hour guaranteed.
Okay.
And that's a problem. So
I do.
That's one. Two, this is nice, but this doesn't really protect you anyway. So even if this was signed by her, it's not really the greatest thing.
Right.
If there are limitations, and the limitations are, look, you got to give me a chance, lady. All right? You've been smoking all your life. You've been charring these butts forever. I can't. That's fine, so long as you don't say stop smoking 1 hour guaranteed. If you need time to work with a patient, and you have to say to them, look, it's going to take. Typically, it's one session. It may take 3 or 4 follow-up sessions. My guarantee to you is I will be there for as many sessions as it takes. I promise I'll return a call in X amount of turnaround time. Whatever it takes, so that they're clear, so that you don't find yourself in court again. But A, you have nothing else signed by her that qualifies the original promise, and B, your promise is incredibly far-reaching, sweeping, and unambiguous. So she wants to rely on it. She wants her money back. It didn't happen. I rule in favor of the plaintiff in this case, $680. Good luck, folks. Thank you.
Well, the hypnotist over here unable to cast a spell over the judge, that's for sure, and you come out on the losing end here. What's your feeling now?
Well, I didn't really get a chance to reiterate what our guarantee is, which is we offer lifetime support for people. Our intention is to help people to stop smoking, and I do tell people on the phone that it may take longer than an hour. I've never had anyone complain.
All right. Did you get her to sign something when she comes in that explains all these other conditions? You get her signature on something like that?
I did not.
That's maybe a good idea.
I've never needed to. I've done hundreds of sessions.
You think you need to now?
Needed to. I think I need to now. Yes, this is a very enlightening experience.
Okay, good. Head right around the corner over there. Let's find out what the winner of this case has to say about it. So come on in here. What's your feeling on, well, the outcome of the case?
I'm very excited. I won my case, and I'm glad it's over.
Yeah. How did he put you under a spell there?
No, he didn't at all.
Well, rate him as a hypnotist. What happens in the session there? What happens in the session? Is he like?
No, he just gets you very relaxed, and he speaks to you and brainwashes you. Try to brainwash you.
Are you feeling sleepy right now?
No.
Harvey?
Okay, Kurt, this is a classic case of bait and switch, but the fact is he is bound by the warranty that he made that lured her in. And that will do it for this case. Litigants for the next case on the way into the courtroom right now.